Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file and they're having trouble text to path. Well, there's a couple of things wrong with their path. One, it's got a bad little curlicue right there. It's a little bit rough. And two, the path is shorter than our text. So if we go to Windows Docker Properties and we click on the line and go right here, that line is only 5.85 inches long. Our text is 6.07. So we could do one of two things. We could elongate our text, make it quite a bit longer. We can always fix that. I never use a thick line to go text to path, and that's probably one of the reasons why, is because I can see, like that little curlicue, I can see more. You can get rid of that by just bending that back. I'd get rid of that. I'd get rid of some and make some of the path smoother. If you have X7 or above, you could use the smoothing tool and smooth this out a little bit. I actually need to make it like 3 inches and just smooth it out just a little bit. Now, when you have a text to path that's this radically going up, it's going to mess with the last of the letters. But we're ready to go, so we're going to go text to path and put it on our path. And you can see we can go off the path or right on the path. That's kind of in the middle. You can see that didn't mess with the E and the R, but that's part of the path. Now, if you needed that line, we could select it all and go to Object and break the text apart. And then you could actually shorten this line by taking two-point lines. Take your virtual segment delete key and deleting the ends of those lines, getting rid of your little 2-point lines, and then make this back to that four-point line. Looks pretty good if you want to. Now it's broken apart from the line, so we can go Control K, hit on this word and go Control K. That'll break every letter apart. And you can manipulate them a little bit, like on this E, if you wanted to spin that E around a little bit and move it, don't move your path. Move your E a little bit on the path. You can do the same thing with the R. Kind of make it maybe a little bit more readable. Still on the path. Anyway, I hope it helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.